Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to top up coolant in your Porsche Cayenne. First, always prioritize safety. Ensure your engine is completely cool, as opening a hot system can be dangerous due to pressurized steam. Park your vehicle on a level surface to get an accurate reading of the coolant level. Finally, always refer to your owner's manual to confirm the exact coolant type recommended for your specific model, as using the wrong fluid can cause significant damage. Now, let's find the coolant reservoir. In most Porsche Cayenne models, you'll find it on the passenger side of the engine bay. It's usually a translucent white plastic tank, making it easy to see the fluid level inside. The reservoir will have a black cap. On the side of this tank, you'll notice clear markings for the minimum and maximum fill lines. These indicators are crucial for determining if your coolant level is low and needs attention. Once you've confirmed the engine is cool, you can proceed to add coolant. Carefully and slowly unscrew the reservoir cap to release any residual pressure. Then, using a funnel, pour the correct, specified coolant type into the reservoir. Be sure to fill it only up to the maximum fill line. It's very important not to overfill, as this can lead to excessive pressure within the cooling system, potentially causing damage or leaks. After topping up the coolant, securely replace the reservoir cap, ensuring it's tightened properly. Then, start your Porsche Cayenne's engine and let it run for a few minutes, keeping a close eye on the temperature gauge to ensure it operates within normal limits. It's a good practice to regularly check your coolant levels, perhaps every 3 to 6 months, or before any long journeys, to maintain optimal engine health and prevent overheating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.